How to add Trendo effect to your picture using Hypic Photo Editor. Now open your Hypic. Here inside the Hypic, click on import. Now select the picture you want to add the Trendo effect. Click on it. Now inside the Hypic editing platform, now slide till you reach adjust, click on it. Here in adjust you will see these features. Now slide till you reach Trendo effect. Now click on it, wait for it to load. Now here it will select automatically, but you can choose to anyone you want like this. But first you can edit it by clicking here to edit the effect, the range, the rotation and the brightness. Now to change the Trendo effect, click here. Select anyone you want, and then you can also drag the Trendo effect like this to set it any position you like this. Now after setting it, you can also use the AI to make it more mature or to make it more good looking by clicking on this erase. Now click on this AI eraser, wait for it to load. Now it will make the Trendo effect to be shining on the body instead of shining above the body, like put it into the back layer. Now to restore it, you can also restore the Trendo effect by clicking on this restore and then clean it like this to restore it back, and set it any form you want, and then click on this AI eraser to put it in a perfect way. You see it. Now click on done. You can also try out these features and then tell me how it work on your device or how it work on your picture. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tool tutorial and also application guide. Also watch this video on the screen to know how to use this AI photo editor. You can also check the description section, the link is there. Now click on done. Voila. Now save it.